Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a high protein, highly nutritious breakfast smoothie recipe for weight loss. It's easy to make on those busy mornings. No dairy milk, no fruits like banana or apple, and no refined sugar. The smoothie is super filling and will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Ideal to include in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a cast iron kadai, I'm adding in half cup makhana, also known as fox nuts. And I'm lightly roasting the makhanas on low to medium flame. Makhanas are a good source of magnesium, potassium, manganese, phosphorus and protein. To know whether the makhanas are roasted well, just take a makhana and press it with your fingers. If it crumbles easily, it is nicely roasted. Remove the roasted makhanas to another plate. Next, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons raw peanuts and I'm lightly roasting the peanuts. Peanuts are a good source of protein, fiber and healthy fats. Now you can also use roasted peanuts in this recipe. However, if you are using roasted peanuts, you can skip this process. Once the peanut starts to crack and is roasted, remove it to a plate. Add in 1 tablespoon sunflower seeds and lightly roast the seeds. Sunflower seeds are a good source of healthy fats, protein, fiber, zinc and selenium. Once the seeds are roasted, remove it to a plate. Add in 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds and lightly roast the seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of protein, healthy fats, omega-6. They are also a good source of zinc, iron, calcium, B2, folate and beta-carotene. They are also rich in magnesium and antioxidants. Once the seeds are roasted, remove to the plate. Now I'm going to allow this to cool down completely. And once it has cooled down, I'm adding the roasted ingredients into my small chutney grinder. For some omega-3s, antioxidants and fiber, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon flax seeds. Again, for some extra omega-3s, antioxidants and fiber, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon chia seeds. And I'm going to blend this to a fine powder. And it has now ground to a fine powder. The beauty of the high protein mix is that you can make ahead this and store in an airtight glass container and you can use it when needed. So you can make the whole process a lot easier by meal prepping this powder and keeping it ready at hand. For a longer storing period, you can always store it in the refrigerator. To make the smoothie, into my blender jar, I'm adding in a handful or about 10 to 12 overnight soaked and peeled almonds. Instead of almonds, you can also use soaked cashew nuts. Add in 1 cup or 1 glass of water. For sweetness, I'm adding in medjool dates. Medjool dates are soft, hence I like to use them in my recipes. If the dates you're using are not soft like mine, you may need to soak the dates in water and then add it into the blender. Medjool dates are really soft as you can see and it is easily blendable. Add the powdered and roasted ingredients. For flavor, I'm adding in half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Instead of cinnamon powder, that is if you don't like the flavor of cinnamon powder, you can use cardamom powder instead. And now I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Pour the thick and creamy smoothie into a serving glass. You can see how thick and creamy the smoothie is. No added fruit or refined sugar or dairy milk in this super healthy fiber and protein rich smoothie recipe. And I'm topping it with some roasted crushed makhanas for an added crunch. 3 to 4 roasted makhanas will be ideal. And my super healthy, high protein, highly nutritious and filling smoothie made without any fruits or added sugar is ready to serve. You can enjoy this smoothie any time of the day as a meal for breakfast, lunch or for dinner. So guys, do try this healthy smoothie recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.